Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Blaupunkt alarm system Q3200 or Q3000 and to operate it. We will also have a look at the online portal as well as the smartphone application. Let's go. The delivery pack for Q3200 starter kits includes an instruction manual of 2 stickers on burglar deterrent and a leaflet with a device on the initial setup. Now it gets interesting because next we have here the alarm control unit, a small remote control including a battery, and a door and or window sensor including mounting materials. Below that there is a camera with a motion detector, a 1 meter long LAN cable, fastening material that is plugs and screws, and last but not the least, of course, also a mains adapter for the alarm control unit, which recharges the built-in battery so that the system continues working, for example, even during a power outage. Before you begin the setup, you should think about the location for setting up the alarm control unit. This should be hidden as far as possible and within the range of the router or a LAN socket, because a permanent connection to the internet is required for proper operation. Now connect the Ethernet cable to the alarm control unit and to your router and or the LAN socket. Then supply the system with electricity and flip the little switch to activate the internal battery. The green LED on the front side will start blinking and the unit beeps 2 times. Now you can go to the superimposed web page to start the setup. Since you probably don't have an account already, click the button New User and enter your details, such as username, email address, password, etc. Then you will be asked to enter the MAC address of the alarm control unit. You will find this on the sticker directly on the alarm control unit. The Q3200 alarm system is now linked to your account, and with the help of user credentials selected by you, you can log in at any point in time into the portal or the associated application. The application can be downloaded free for Android and iOS. Just go on your smartphone in the respective application store and search for Secure for Home. The 3 LEDs on the top are from left to right, mode, status, and network. Based on these, you can directly identify whether there is any error in the system as well as whether the system is set on the sharp mode and much more. The layout of the portal is simple, and after the login directly shows the 3 different modes of the alarm system, all acquired sensors and remote controls. The unsharp mode disables all the functions of the alarm system. Home offers setting options to set only certain sensors on sharp mode so that you can secure areas, but nevertheless, it does not raise the alarm for every single little thing. So you could, for example, deactivate the motion detector or set only the sensors on the basement sharp, etc. All acquired sensors and activated in the sharp mode. Further below, you can see the status of the sensors, for example, whether a door is open or closed, whether a tamper switch is not set properly, and for example, activate the camera. If the sensors from the starter package are not enough, more can be purchased and added to the alarm control unit, up to 40 sensors. For this, the red button on the back of the alarm control unit must be pressed until mode LED starts blinking green. This is the learning mode. Now new sensors can be added easily via pressing the learn key. The control unit confirms this with a short tone. When all sensors are acquired, you can exit the learning mode via pressing again on the red button. The menu point automation provides option to integrate a smart home system. Important here is the sub-item scenarios because this makes it possible to create certain processes also for the standard sensors and cameras. Here we create a new scenario now so that the PIR camera immediately shoots a photo upon detecting any movement and sends it to the control unit. For this camera, we enter a name, choose a symbol, place the tick mark on the desired camera, and then set the condition. In this case, it is a triggered burglar alarm. We save all these details and the scenario starts working. If the motion detector reacts, not only the alarm will be triggered but also a photo will be shot and stored immediately. The next menu item, camera, you have access to all IP cameras which might be connected. The PIR camera does not appear here again. All activities of the alarm system are displayed under events. Details of every time the sharp or the unsharp mode is set and details of every time a sensor is triggered, as well as the images recorded by the PIR camera can be found here. In the upper bar, you can quickly filter as per specific events using media such as all images and videos recorded previously. To go the last menu item settings, you must enter the master PIN code. Default is 4x1. Then the device list opens. Here you can enter the zone number and name for each sensor and map the scenarios created previously. The submenu item alarm control unit provides access to all setting options for the alarm itself to the various modes. Here you can change the master PIN code and create different users. The whole thing works in such a way that a PIN code is associated with the name. Now when you use one of the PIN codes to set the unit to sharp or unsharp mode, the displayed events will include which the user has performed this action. To create a user, only a name and a 4-digit code must be entered in the line. This is saved by pressing the send button. The last point of this submenu lets you customize the notifications. You can choose between SMS to a phone number, which is however subject to a charge, email, and push notification. This is also the possibility to enter several phone numbers or email addresses. In addition, the smartphone application also offers a push service so that you are informed promptly about specific events. Now, since there has been the reference to the application a few times, we'll look into it again. Here, based on the iOS version, essentially everything can be done and viewed using the application. What is necessary to operate the alarm system? Only on the settings of the alarm control units cannot be edited here further. In the menu point security, we can again switch between 3 modes and set the alarm to sharp. Go to the list of acquired sensors. Automation and camera offer identical options like in the web portal, and the menu point event shows again. Of course, all activities of the alarm control unit or the sensors, click an event and further information is provided to you. For example, the PIR camera, even the images shot. You should start operating your Q3200 burglar alarm now successfully, and you can adapt the setting to your needs. For further questions, please contact the Blaupunkt support. At this point, I thank you quite warmly for watching, and until next time, goodbye.